Hi, my name is Justine. I signed up with the Trupp Cooking School to do Chef at Home, and the three key skills that I've learned or that I've taken home from the course has been knife skills. That changed my life. Stocks and sauces, getting the basics of those right has just been really revolutionary for me. I've got much less freezer space now available because I've been making my own stocks at home. And the third would probably be the nutritional information you get as part of the course. I didn't realise how much information you do get, and that's been fantastic. Again, it's really changed my attitude on how I eat and looking after my health in general. The highlight of my experience at the Trupp Cooking School, it's probably been being in the same room with a group of people that are like-minded, that have a real passion for food and eating well, and just learning with them. You not only learn off Walter and Dorata, but you also learn off your colleagues and classmates, and that's really good fun. So, highly recommend the course.